In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ClickUp Password 2026 tutorial. Keeping your account secure is essential, especially when your projects, tasks, and team communication live in one place. A strong, regularly updated password helps prevent unwanted access and protects your work. Today, I'll walk you through a quick, reliable way to reset your ClickUp password, and I'll add a few simple tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already signed in, great. If not, log in so you can access your account settings. Once you're in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture appears. Click that icon to open a drop-down menu, then choose Settings. On the Settings page, you'll see options for managing your account. Select Profile to find the password controls. Before you can make changes, ClickUp may ask you to verify your identity. Enter your existing password when prompted and click. Save changes to continue. In some cases, you can also verify with a one-time passcode sent via SMS. If that option appears, follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification. Now you're ready to set a new password. Choose something unique that you don't use anywhere else. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to increase strength. Longer passphrases made of random words can also be both secure and easier to remember. Avoid personal details and common patterns. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to generate and securely store a complex password. Type your new password in the field provided, then retype it to confirm there are no mistakes. This confirmation step is important. It ensures you won't get locked out because of a typo. When everything looks good, click Confirm Password. If you see a final Save Changes button, click it to apply the update. That's it. Your password is now reset. For extra peace of mind, you can log out and sign back in with your new credentials to confirm everything works as expected. Building a habit of updating passwords periodically and keeping them strong goes a long way towards safeguarding your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss future practical guides. Thanks for watching, and take care until next time.